Now let's create a new widget that will display a reminder bar during the game with keys to take a screenshot and exit. Create a new widget. Add text at the bottom of the screen. Save widget. Go to the character's blueprint. Add a widget display script to the begin play event. Create widget. Class myCreatedWidget. Owning player connect to get player controller. Return value add to viewport. Apply the changes and launch the game. A text reminder appears at the bottom of the screen. Now it reminds to add the function to exit the game by pressing the escape key. Add a new event to the escape key. Find the quit game function. Specific player, get player controller. Now, when I press the escape key, the project will be closed.